Good morning, everyone. Today is 21st of December, and I'm Shuchi Runta presenting the morning market update. The Nifty lost 35 points over the day to close at 18,385. A volatile intraday session yesterday. With the first half, the index broke the previous low and recovered in the second half, forming a hammer candle pattern on the daily charts. The lead was taken up by the Bank Nifty in the second half of the session. The Bulls are constantly trying to put up a fight near the support levels. As mentioned yesterday, we just need to move beyond 18,425 for the momentum to be back. Talking of the sectors we mentioned, paper stocks have seen good volume and deliveries along with price action both yesterday and day before. FIIs bought 455 crores in cash but in futures sold around 3,000 crores. Coming to US markets, they were flat with a positive bias. Dollar index continues to trade around 104 levels and India VIX around 13 to 14 zone. SGX Nifty is 75 points higher currently. To conclude, there is not much change in the view. The index needs to move past 18425 levels to test 18650. On the lower side, 18100 to 200 zone remains as an important zone for where bulls will step in. Stock specific opportunities continue in the market. Levels for the day, Nifty supports will be seen at 18200 and 18100, resistance 18425 and 18520. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 43,100 and 42,900, resistance 43,450 and 43,750. Thank you.